Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDT from Metamask to Bybit. So let's get into the video. So open up Metamask, and then on Metamask what you're going to do, you're going to hit on the send option here. So that's the withdraw option you use to withdraw. So click on that, and then here you go to enter the address on where you want to withdraw it to. So basically this is the Bybit address. So to get the Bybit address, go to Bybit, log into your Bybit account, and then click on your deposit option here. And then on your deposit option here, when you get to this page here, so what you're going to do, you're going to select the coin that you want to deposit. So here we're going to withdraw USDT. So click on USDT. Okay, once you click on USDT, so now you're going to select the chain, the appropriate chain. So for example here we'll use the ECR20. So just make sure that you need a verified account on Bybit in order to do this. I haven't verified my account, so just ignore this. So once you have verified your account, so you will get your address here, your wallet address here from Bybit. So once you get the wallet address, simply pop that in here. So pop the address here in, and then what you're going to do once that's done. So once you pop up your wallet address, then you're going to choose your currency and the amount that you wish to spend. Once you have typed those details in, then you're going to hit on send, and that will initiate the transaction. So you just need to complete the transaction in order to transfer from your Metamask to your Bybit, and that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.